Today we'll talk about how can you disable notifications on your Goodnovel app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. Sorry. So you just click here on profile here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, then you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on push management here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You come here to all the push, click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.